Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Maisy? Maisy Loves Birds by Lucy Cousins. What is a bird? Birds are animals with feathers and a beak, but no teeth. They lay eggs and have wings to fly. Maisy likes to listen to the birds singing when she wakes up. Tweet, 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 tweet. Hello, birdie. Good morning. Bird families. There are thousands of different types of birds. Seabirds, garden woodland birds, jungle and forest birds, birds of prey, owls, birds that don't fly, water birds. What do birds need? Insects, seeds, plants and fruit to eat. Some birds eat meat or fish. They need water to drink and wash in, a safe, dry place to sleep and nest. Maisy feeds the birds and fills a bird bath with water. Oh, that's very nice, Maisy. You're very kind to the birds. Nesting time. A nest is where a bird lays its eggs. Birds can make their nests from twigs, leaves, feathers, and lots of other things. Moss, twigs, cobwebs, grass, mud. Lovely. Maisy puts up a bird box in her garden. What a perfect place to make a nest. Birds of the world. Some birds live in hot deserts. Whoa, hot. Others, live in icy, cold places. In spring, Maisy says hello to the swallows. Some birds fly thousands of miles each year to find the best place to eat and make their nests. Hooray for birds! Birds come in so many different shapes, sizes and colours. Maisy and her friends are going bird watching. Shall we have a look for some birds, boys and girls? Let's see. Oh, look, there's a chaffinch and a robin. Oh, and there's a sparrow. What else can we see? I see a jay. Oh, and look, there's a baby duckling. And there's a mummy duck. And that was Maisy. Maisy Loves Birds by Lucy Cousins. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye!